Here's your grade. A big fat F-.
Huh? But I studied a lot!
Apparently not.
Ugh, I don't deserve this! So unfair! It's payback time! Who can resist this pretty box? Teacher, I have a gift for you!
Oh, for me?
From my heart.
I love surprises! Huh? I hate spiders! Huh?
Whoa! Ah!
Where are we? Hi, welcome to the art challenge.
Hey! So, what do we do?
Grab a pen.
Okay.
Mine!
Let it go!
Give me that! Stop it!
Ugh!
You listen to me!
Uh-oh. You broke it!
Oh, useless!
What do we do? Hey, I have an idea. Okay, step 1. Is that the principal?
Where?
I'll take that.
Phew, I don't see him. Weird.
Well, I got what I need. Now let's turn this into something fabulous. Who's tiny? Not this pencil. Not anymore. Glue and glitter are the best DIY duo. When in doubt, add more sparkle. Now for the final touch. The feathers. This pen got the ultimate makeover. Wow, so cute and extra. It's giving princess vibes. I can watch this all day. I'm ready.
Then you catch this. Got it! Thanks! Huh? Those look familiar. Hey! Those are mine!
I'm not giving them back.
You little… Huh. Then I'll grab something of yours.
Woohoo!
Let's see how you'll woohoo once I'm done. I know a hack or two myself. Here's a lesson for you. Never underestimate your teacher. All you need is a few hair clips to do this. But we're not done quite yet. Adding some charms will make this pen even cuter. Now let's attach this back. Pom-poms never go out of style. This is peak classroom chic. You've got feathers, I've got fluff.
Huh?
Jealous?
More like angry. That's mine!
You stole from me first!
She needs to be disqualified!
You too! Ugh, I can't take this anymore! Stop! Huh? This or that? You win!
Me? I knew it!
What? How? Ugh!
Heh.
Boo-hoo!
I wonder what's next.
Surprise exam time!
Huh?
Oh, no problem, I got this.
I hate exams!
The joke's on you! Well, good luck. You'll both need it. Hey, my questions are super hard!
Mine's a piece of cake!
Haha, no talking!
Let's do this.
No calculators! Look! Hey, drop that!
Ugh, this is not good. I'll fail without that. I need to do something. Think, brain, think. Aha! Don't show this hack to your teachers, people. Steady hands. One wrong snip would have ruined my plan. Got the answers right here. They'll never suspect a thing. A+, here I come. Answers at my fingertips, literally. A quick peek. Nothing to see here.
Huh? Hey! That's illegal!
Drama queen much? Ugh.
Tisk tisk. Back to me.
Do. Oops. I'm a pro at this. Victory! I'm done. See?
But how?
I cheated.
No way! Hey,
Shh! You don't rat, I don't rat. Nobody likes a snitch. Deal?
Deal. In that case, I'm done too. Already? How convenient.
We're good at this. Huh? Hey!
Hey!
What the?
I was doing some cleaning.
Dude, watch out!
Oops. Whoa! Ouch! Yikes! It's not funny! You too? Well, I'll show you funny. Make sponge art!
Oh, man. Well.
I can't concentrate. So annoying. I have an idea. Maybe I should become an art teacher for this. Because this is genius. Just have to smooth the edges of the sponge here. Now it's time to color it. I'll use all the colors of the rainbow. My popsicle that won't melt! This masterpiece deserves protection! Boop! Now it has personality. My sponge art is ready! Cuteness overload! Ooh, let's see. Wow!
I can do better.
Let's see yours then.
Aha! I know what I'm gonna do. I'll start by drawing the cookies first. Obviously, I was born to make art. I mean, look how perfectly I'm drawing and coloring. This is gonna take a while, though. Now I need to cover the whole shape with clear tape. Folding the paper is key for this project. Gotta cut both sides together. I could do this blindfolded, but let's not test that. Anyway, back to work. I need to tape this section here. And fill it with cotton. Now close this side with tape again. Looks like a little pillow, doesn't it? Well, did I mention we're gonna use lots of tape? And cotton. Be careful not to tear the paper during these steps, or you'll have to start all over again. I already made 3 of these. Here's the last one. Let's see anyone top this level of detail. Now watch. I thought of everything. There's no losing with these cookies. Ta-da! Announce me the winner already. So?
Pick mine. Wow, you both outdid yourselves. But you're the clear winner. Oh, not again.
Yay! Victory looks good on me! Huh?
Oh! Look outside!
Nighttime already? Time really flies.
Yep.
I need my beauty sleep.
Same. Hey, we're not done yet. Oh, sure. Wake up! Come on!
Ugh, I was dreaming!
Last round. Let's see your best night sky. Oh, I got the most magical shade of black for that. Just setting the stage for the stars. Now it's time to light up the night. Just trust the process. Let's blend all the colors. What a simple technique, right? But so effective. And just like that, Aurora magic. Nothing says night like a silhouette of trees. This dark forest will set the mood. Just a few brush strokes and voila! Gallery ready and glowing!
Okay. My turn. Ugh. Huh? Oh no. I'm not off to a great start. This isn't over. I can fix it. Don't mind if I borrow this brush. I need to cover these sections for a cleaner result. Old toothbrush, new purpose. Let it spritz! I'm creating instant stardust. Who needs a galaxy filter when you know the right hack? Call me the queen of cosmic hacks. The full moon will bring out the werewolf in you. A highway to the stars here. I can grow my own enchanted forest too. Done! Told you I could save it. The stars were on my side. I win, right?
Wow, so cool. But she's a winner. Yay, finally! That's well deserved. I still got it.